Good morning and welcome to another Disney vlog, Disney Magic at Sea, day 4. Today's our Disembarkation day, I think that's how you say it. Basically, we're back in Southampton, so it's our final day. It's not even a full day, we only have maybe like 2 hours. We've got breakfast at Animator's Palate, and then you have to get off the ship. But it's quite cold actually, that's why I'm wearing my hoodie for the first time, even though it's been pretty cool throughout the whole time, because we've been pretty unlucky, to be fair, with the weather. The captain did try, and yesterday, if you watched the vlog from day 3, we did manage to get a little bit of sun. I don't know where in the world we were, because there's no Wi-Fi, there's no internet on this ship. You can pay for Wi-Fi, but, you know, me and Arezou decided not to, because it's pretty expensive, and 4G just wasn't working at all. But, yeah, apart from that, it's been pretty cool and cloudy. And this morning it's about 7:45 a.m. right now, and we're back in Southampton. So it was really sad when we pulled the curtains this morning, and instead of seeing the sea, we just saw grey skies and a bunch of cars. This is what we were presented with today, which is exactly obviously where we left off earlier. Let me just go out for a bit. Oh, let's see how cold it actually is. Do you know what? I mean, it's a bit chilly, but it's not too bad. We do have 4G back, but I haven't actually checked anything. I just noticed that my 4G sign was back. Realised that I had loads of emails coming through, loads of messages on WhatsApp and Instagram, but didn't actually properly check anything. But I could, if I wanted to now, have a look and see what the weather's like. This is kind of the area where you have to drop off before you come in to the ship. If you're boarding the ship from Southampton, this was the whole terminal, I suppose. Is terminal the right word? I'm not sure, but this is where we had to go through to get onto the ship on our very first day, which honestly feels like a long time ago now. It's crazy. And that's where my dad dropped us off on the first day as well. I don't know if you heard that, but it's really weird to hear cars. I think that's a car anyway, the engines. I don't know. Yeah, I surprisingly feel okay. I've only been getting about 4 or 5 hours of sleep every night here, to be honest, because we want to stay up late. We've been doing all the activities. We've loved Fathoms. That's one of my favourite places here, actually, for adults only. It's been really fun, just a lot of light-hearted fun. And so we don't normally come into our room until about 12:30, half midnight, and then by the time we sleep it's 1, 2 a.m, sometimes 3, and then we normally try to wake up at 7:30, 8:30, so about 5 hours of sleep every night. Arezou gets maybe a little bit more than me because she falls asleep quicker than I do. I have to try and not debrief, but let me know if you feel the same. I can't just kind of come into a room or in my bed or any bed and just fall asleep straight away. I need to either read or just do something, think about life. I can't. Just let me know if you're like me. It's quite frustrating actually, but I just need that little time. It could be half an hour, it could be an hour of just doing something that isn't daily life before I fall asleep on my bed. So yeah, it's been alright though. It's been alright. I'm not too tired. Yeah, still feeling very grateful. I was just doing some last minute packing over there. I still need to do a little bit of packing as well, to be fair. We didn't unpack, so most of our stuff, both of us, was already in our backpacks. It's just the last bits and bobs, chargers, wires, things that we've used for our phones and stuff. Pyjamas. I'm still in my pyjama actually. I need to go and change that so I can put this into my bag. But yeah, still very full from all the food that we ate yesterday, the day before, and the day after that. I'm pretty sure I just laughed from the room. But we do have one more meal on Disney Magic at Sea, so gotta eat that as well. I might as well. We've eaten so much, we might as well do one last breakfast at Animator's Palate. I did have a quick look on the app at the menu, and it does look good. They have a good selection of breakfast options. It is different to what you would get on regular days if you eat there, but it's still exciting. So I'm gonna go back in. Bye. Gonna go back in. Wow, we've gone dark. Change now, and look at the mess. Sorry, please don't judge us for this randomness. I mean, we more or less have just woken up and we're just doing some last bits and bobs, so the room doesn't look as best as it did yesterday, for instance. If you want to watch a full-on room tour of the stateroom that we're in, subscribe, because there will be a video coming up and the room will look much better than it does right now, I promise you. This is our room at the moment. That's Arezou over there. Oh, I need to kind of make the bed look a bit more presentable than it does right now, I'm not gonna lie, but It's been a comfortable and lovely room. It's a lot to pack. Got the suitcase, that bag over there, this bag, and we've got 4G back, as I said earlier. Oh yeah, let's not forget this chocolate. We had so many of these chocolates given to us on the very first day after the Freezing the Night Away show, like so many of them. It's time to go. Bye, room. It's been fun. Oh, look at Arezou's top though, in better news. How fun and cute is it? It's got the cheeks kind of like the Mickey on the door, like these ones here. Very, very cute. Anyways, 8:20, we were recommended to go to breakfast at 8:30, so we're doing well. I just need to get one last bag out. Last time potentially seeing this awesome wall of Parisian illustrations. Yeah, Parisian illustrations and Mickey and Minnie over there.
Going down.
Ooh. Oh, did you go in the wrong? No, we're in deck 6. Sorry, we need to go to deck 4, I think. It's so funny looking at like the vibe of everyone today, this morning, because most people seem to be a lot more stressed, understandably so, than they've been in the past few days, because obviously everyone has to disembark now. Just the vibe is very different. There's an announcement.
Disney Magic guests, may I have your attention please?
Yes, you may.
Local Customs and Border Protection have now cleared the Disney Magic, and at this time, all guests are welcome to disembark the ship via the gateway located on deck 3 midship.
There you go.
Please have your Key to the World card out and ready to...
This is the key for Animator's Palate this morning. A bit different to yesterday, last night. You can see everyone with their luggages and stuff everywhere. But it's okay. We have nowhere to go now apart from just disembark the ship, so neither of us mind staying on the ship a bit longer. Back in Animator's Palate, this beautiful restaurant that we both enjoyed a lot, immensely last night. Do we just sit wherever we want? Oh, 36, back to our seat table from yesterday. It's a lot more quiet. I love the Snow White song. And I can't get over the carpets every time I see them. So this is the breakfast menu, I want to say. Feel free to scan it if you'd like to see what we have on the card. I'll show it to you as well. So we have coffees, assorted teas, hot chocolates, all the regular kind of classic breakfast items and drinks, some fresh fruits, yogurts, cereals, and then fresh from the bakery they've got some croissants, muffins, pastries, donuts, English muffins, white toast. Lord have mercy, there's a lot. White toast even, that's nice. Then the breakfast favourites, we've got Chef's Farewell. I love the names of these. And then we've got Route 66. Should I marry Coco? Sorry if I suddenly start singing because I'm hearing Pocahontas in the background. I don't know if you can hear it as well, but we've got Almost Home. Corned beef, hash fried eggs, bacon skillet topped with fried onions. Our lovely server recommended Route 66 to us, but to be honest, it's very, very meaty, and neither of us want to eat a lot of meat. Like, I don't really like bacon. Arezou doesn't eat bacon at all, so that just kind of rules this out for us, unfortunately. So I think we're both going to go for eggs for the road. Arezou is having hers scrambled, I'm going to have mine fried. And then Arezou also wanted to get one of these for a sweet journey because she loves desserts and sweet stuff, so she wanted to try the pancakes as well. So yeah, that's basically the menu. So remember the questionnaire that I showed you in yesterday's vlog? It was quite a long questionnaire. I spoke about it a bit in my vlog, and I filled it all up. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. That's really kind. Yeah, filled up the questionnaire, and then stupidly both Arezou and I forgot to actually bring it down with us, because you're meant to bring it down on your last morning, and as you're going to breakfast you can like drop off the questionnaire. So Arezou's just gone back up to see if she can get the questionnaire before somebody throws it out. We did apologise, like we felt so bad. It was only like when we got to the restaurant that we both realised, oh my god, we must have left it on the table, because we'd left it on the table just like as a last thing to bring, because we wanted to make sure we don't forget, and then we both forgot it. Annoying. But yeah, bless her, Arezou's run back up again to deck 7, hoping that she can get it, because literally we spent quite a while filling it in, and we did give some cast compliments as well in the end, because there was a section where you could like tell Disney which cast members in particular impressed you, and so even like Crystal, our main server, we did a little thing for her, so we really wanted Disney to get it. So hopefully we should get it, but yeah, we're a little bit stressed because of that, not gonna lie, and I feel bad that Arezou went up. She was like, I'm just gonna go up and see if it's there, because why not? Like, we were told, like Crystal herself, our server said it's probably gonna be, we just felt bad basically, because her reaction was like they probably just like we'd thrown it away already, and then we were like, But so it's worth a chance. It's worth having a chance, having a look, and just in case it's still there. Let's have our fingers crossed, guys. Anyway, some food items have arrived already, so let me show that to you. Arezou went for her standard breakfast tea. Still loving these plates. They're so cute. I've got my apple juice, of course, and hot chocolate. Oh, this looks really nice as well. I love the mug it's come in. It's like a long one, tall one. Very nice. So Arezou is back. The bad news is she couldn't find we don't know what's happening to the paper at all. But oh well, we're just gonna have to accept it. We did fill it in. We were as nice as we could, but it's just gone now. The good news is, look at her crown. Her crown's looking really nice. Peter Pan's magic work. Yeah. It's really cute. They've done these in a form of a crown, and we only noticed because we saw a few other people by the back doing it, so we thought, why not? Is your tea okay?
I have tried.
Oh, okay. It's such a stressful time today. Lord have mercy. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling around. The Ariel from last night's show, by the way, still I can't forget her because she was incredible. These are my fins. Out of the sea, wish I could be.
These are like actual palettes.
Yeah.
Use them like actual palettes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
No, that's fine.
Thank you. I was just like, oh, thank you so much.
Thank you
wow.
so much. Wow.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So this is my breakfast. I'm loving the runny fried egg situation again, which I learned yesterday that is called easy. Arezou gave me one of her pancakes as well. We've got a hash brown. I decided to give some bacon as well. Crystal asked me if I wanted anything more than just a sausage. I was like, why not? Let's just add the bacon, why not? It looks really nice though. Excited to try it. This is Arezou's pancakes. There was another pancake there as well, obviously, that I've now taken. Some waffles. I think this pancake might have something in it. And then that's Arezou's scrambled eggs with hash browns and 2 sausages. Lovely.
All guests are welcome to disembark the ship via the gangway located on deck 3 midship. Please have your Key to the World card out and ready to be swiped off the ship.
We are welcome to disembark.
Yeah, that was a very polite way to say,
Can you leave? Yeah.
just go.
Literally. To be fair, it is 9:30 now, and I think from what I'd read in reviews and stuff before, like this is like when you're meant to, that's the maximum. But as you can see, there are still some people in the restaurant. Also, I love this music. Da 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 da. From the Nutcracker. It's technically from the Nutcracker, but it's also in Fantasia. Let me know if you like Fantasia, by the way. I really like it. I feel like it's a very, very underrated Disney film. I also obviously love Fantasia Mickey, and Fantasia Mickey was the one who did the animation. Yes, so he was the one on screen last night, wasn't he?
Yes.
With his hat and everything.
Yes, that was Mickey from Fantasia, and they also has some footages from Fantasia 2000. I don't know if you
Which one do you
noticed the
prefer?
hippos.
Which one do you prefer?
The hippos from
The original or the 2000 one?
there are different sequences that I like from the first
True,
one.
true. I like the hippo. I like the hippo scene. It's a long one, Fantasia, so I understand why it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, and it's not like the kind of film that I would like sit and watch like straight away. My mom and I actually watched it just before Christmas last year, 2020, and we did actually watch it straight from the start to the end, and I think that was the first time we did it that way. Normally it was just like it'd be clips that we'd watch, and it was actually weirdly enjoyable. Well, it is time to leave Animator's Palate, our final dining room of the cruise. We're gonna go and collect some photos that we decided to purchase. No, we didn't get all of them, we decided to get some of them though, so we're gonna go and do that very quickly. We've already sorted it out, we just need to collect them, and then that's it. We need to go and collect our bags again. Thank you so much, thank you very much. Thank you, bye. And then that's it. That will be it. Also, if you do want to leave your bags here, you can. We decided to leave our suitcases outside our room because our lovely host. What was the name of our host, our room host?
Animator.
He was phenomenal, and he allowed us to just leave them outside our room.
Yeah.
Because as you can see, some people have brought them here and kind of left them. And you can do both, I think. It just depends on what your preference is. Also, shout out to Rapunzel and Flynn, and of course my bae, Ariel, my favourite. Look at the madness of all these people trying to leave the ship. I mean, to be fair, I say madness. It doesn't look too bad. It could have been worse. But it's just weird seeing the atrium so busy with all these people. Suddenly, we need to go to the guest services very quickly to pay for the pictures that we purchased, and then we can leave. Got our bags and suitcases now, all ready to go. I love how ours is like fully black, and mine is fully blue. Basically, as you all know, my favorite color matches everything I'm wearing today as well. To be honest, from head to toe. So, yeah. Time to go. We are literally about to leave now. We're to come back into the main atrium and see all the main things. Thankfully, it looks a lot less busy now. Timing wise, I think it's probably close to 10 now, but the guest service queue over there is pretty crazy. Let's have a look at the time. Okay, so it's basically 10 spot on. Mickey's looking very happy. We've got Enchanted in the background. And yeah, it was much busier, I would say, about half an hour ago. So if you're wanting to leave, maybe go very early, or just try and avoid like peak times, I guess, but that's just like a given, isn't it? Oh, it feels so sad to be just... Bye, Mickey. Let's go. Oh, feels weird to be back on ground, doesn't it? Look, the ship's just there. Remember how excited we were when we first saw it? So amazed. I've basically lost my voice by this point. I don't even know why. Probably because I've just talked a lot and I'm not used to talking so much. Because lockdowns, pandemic stuff, I normally just spend my time in my room doing anything but talking, to be honest. Just working on my computer more than anything. But yeah, this is it. This is it. I'm typically... you can see the skies becoming bluer just as we've left the ship. So whoever's going on the next ship sailing from Southampton, I feel like it's probably going to have slightly better weather than we did, but it's okay. We still enjoyed our time on here. We are officially on Southampton UK ground now. This is where we first entered. It says welcome, but not to us anymore, sadly. Jokes aside, it's been a wonderful few days. Like, even with the weather not being as we predicted it or as we wanted it to be, maybe Arezou brought like a bikini. We brought so many things that we never got to actually wear because of the weather not being the best. We still had so many things to do. What would you say was your highlight? Well, I know it's really hard, but like a couple of things that really stood out to you, maybe?
I think the Animator's palette, the part that everything was animated, that was really magical.
Animator's palette was pretty awesome, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty cool, not gonna lie. I really liked the Tangle show as well. I think the Tangle show was pretty amazing as well. But yeah, all in all, had a great time. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Arezou for being a phenomenal travel partner. And if you want to subscribe, no, you don't have. Have you got a channel as well?
Yes.
She does a podcast. So if you like animation, actually, you should check out her podcast.
Arezou Art.
I'll leave her link down below.
Thank you.
Otherwise, follow her on Instagram if you want to see some photos, because I think you're more active on your Instagram. And then you can find her podcast through her Instagram as well. But I'll leave both the links down below. Follow me on Instagram as well if you want to. Yeah, we have a train to catch now, so it's going to be quite a boring journey back. So that's where I'm going to end the vlog. All I have to say is thank you, and hopefully I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye.